So like me and Disney, like we are like so good together. We're like two peas in a pot, you know, like every day I want to get up and I want to get ready and I want to go to school, you know, and like I get up and I put on all my makeup, you know, I do all my hair and I try to look really good and really fabulous. And I look okay, you know, I go to school, but then before I go to school, I gotta stop by Disney's house and then like we just get ready together and we get so much gooder, you know? Like everything just looks really good. Like when we're together, it's like people envy us, you know? Like they look at us and they're like, oh my god, like I want a friend like this, like fabulous, and then we could shop together and like we could do so many cool things. And they look at us and they're like, I want to be that, you know, like because we just make it so much gooder, you know, like everything we do is in style and everything's popping, you know, like if me and Disney we were a club, we would be in New York, you know, like we would be popping, you know, like we're just so good, so good.